Welcome back to another episode of the MRP Easy Manufacturing Podcast. Today we'll explain what BOM version control means in manufacturing. We'll take a look at the key aspects of BOM version control, explore its advantages, and talk about manufacturing industries that can benefit from it. We'll also talk about how modern ERP systems can help with managing BOM version control. BOM version control, also called revision control, refers to the management and tracking of changes made to the bill of materials or recipe of a product. It ensures that any updates or modifications to materials, quantities, suppliers, or other details are accurately documented. This enables manufacturers to work with the correct and most up-to-date BOM at all times, or to easily revert to a previous version. Here are some of the key elements of BOM version control. Number 1. Tracking changes. Each time a change is made to the BOM, those changes are tracked and recorded. This helps ensure that everyone involved is working with the same current BOM. Number 2. Version history. BOM version control creates a historical record of all changes, including details like who made the changes, when they were made, and why. This can be critical for troubleshooting, auditing, or regulatory compliance. Number 3. Approval workflows. Changes to the BOM are often subject to approval workflows. This ensures that any modifications are reviewed and validated before they are implemented in the production process, helping maintain quality control and reduce risks. Access control can be implemented to specify who can view, edit, or approve revisions, ensuring that only authorized employees can make changes to critical documents. Number 4. Automatic updates across the system. Version control ensures that changes to a document are reflected across all systems and processes that depend on it. For instance, when a BOM is updated, the new version is instantly reflected in future production or procurement orders. This ensures that any changes to materials or quantities are integrated into the manufacturing flow without manual intervention, reducing the chances of stock discrepancies or scheduling errors. Number 5. Restoration of previous versions. Sometimes changes to a document or design can lead to unforeseen issues. Version control systems allow for the restoration of previous versions, making it possible to revert to an earlier, stable version of a BOM if needed. This feature adds a layer of flexibility and ensures that the manufacturing process can quickly recover from errors. Now, what are the benefits of BOM version control? First, it improves accuracy. Version control ensures that all teams are using the correct and most up-to-date version of the BOM. This reduces the risk of errors that could arise from working with outdated information, such as incorrect material specifications or part quantities. Version control also results in better collaboration. Multiple teams, such as design, procurement, and production, rely on the BOM. With version control, all stakeholders are guaranteed access to the latest revisions. This ensures everyone is on the same page and working with consistent information, which improves overall communication and reduces the chance of misunderstandings. Another important advantage is traceability and auditability. BOM version control provides a complete history of all changes made to the BOM, including who made the changes, when they were made, and why. This audit trail is vital for compliance with industry regulations, quality control processes, and internal review. It also makes it easier to resolve any disputes or errors that arise. BOM version control also makes troubleshooting easier. In case issues arise during manufacturing, version control allows teams to trace the exact changes made to the BOM. If a specific revision caused a problem, teams can quickly identify and address the issue by comparing it to previous versions. This speeds up troubleshooting and problem resolution. Version control also reduces the risk of stock shortages or overstocking. With accurate, up-to-date BOMs, procurement teams can ensure they're ordering the correct quantities of materials at the right time. Version control ensures that any adjustments made to the BOM, such as material changes or quantities, are automatically reflected across purchase orders and inventory management systems. This reduces the likelihood of stock shortages or excess inventory. The next benefit is improved compliance. Industries with strict regulatory requirements, such as aerospace or medical devices, require a detailed and traceable record of all product changes. BOM version control ensures that all modifications to the BOM are logged, providing an auditable trail that can be used to demonstrate compliance during inspections or audits. Version control also makes rolling back to previous versions faster. If an updated BOM version introduces issues, version control allows teams to quickly revert to an earlier, stable version of the BOM. This ability to roll back changes quickly, minimizes downtime, and prevents production delays, ensuring continuity in manufacturing operations. It also makes for more efficient change management. Changes to the BOM often require approval or review from multiple departments. Version control helps manage this process by keeping track of changes, approvals, and notes, and by providing transparency throughout the process. This streamlined change management ensures that no critical steps are overlooked and helps maintain smooth operations. And lastly, BOM version control makes for more accurate planning. Having access to accurate BOM versions ensures that production planning and scheduling are based on the most current data. This improves resource allocation, reduces the risk of production delays due to missing or incorrect materials, and optimizes the overall efficiency of the manufacturing process. Now that we've talked about its benefits, what are the applications of BOM version control in manufacturing? While BOM version control is absolutely vital for companies that use concurrent engineering, many other manufacturing companies might also find it useful. Here are some industries that could benefit the most from it. Number 1, automotive. Automotive companies produce complex products with many parts and assemblies that often undergo design revisions and updates. Number 2, electronics. Electronics manufacturing often involves frequent changes to components, such as microchips, displays, and connectors. Number 3, aerospace and defense. Aerospace and defense industries deal with highly regulated products that undergo numerous revisions due to safety, compliance, and performance improvements. Number 4, medical devices. Medical devices are subject to strict regulatory requirements, and any change to the design or materials used in production must be tracked and documented. Number 5, industrial machinery. Companies that produce machinery and industrial equipment regularly update their designs for improved efficiency or to integrate new technologies. Number 6, food and beverage. Although not as technical as other industries, food and beverage companies also use BOM version control when testing different recipes and updating ingredient lists. All of these industries share one challenge. Once you start tracking BOM revisions, the amount of information grows quickly. That's where a manufacturing ERP becomes indispensable. So before we finish this episode, let's talk about how an integrated manufacturing ERP can help with managing BOMs. In modern manufacturing ERPs, the bill of materials is one of the cornerstones of a functional system. It serves as a basis for production and material planning, quoting, purchase planning, inventory consumption, and accounting. By integrating all of these areas and ensuring that BOM updates are instantly reflected in the data of every department, manufacturing ERP software, such as MRP Easy, provides stakeholders with real-time information vital to performing their tasks. For complex products involving multiple subassemblies or products with variations, a powerful ERP like MRP Easy provides the tools to effectively manage multi-level and configurable BOMs, as well as their versions. By centralizing and streamlining access to BOM data, communication between departments becomes faster and more efficient, raising the level of collaboration across the company. That wraps up this episode of our manufacturing podcast. Thanks for tuning in. For more information, visit mrpeasy.com. See you next time.